Hey guys, welcome back to Tammy's Kitchen. It's the holidays and I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to make the simplest chicken burritos at the comfort of your home. So let's start. First on my ingredient list here I have tortillas. They are bought at the supermarket, just like I've done here, but you can also make them at home. It's just a simple chapati recipe, and make sure they're not overcooked. Here I have chicken breasts. As you can see, here I have a full tomato, 3 onions, 3 cloves of garlic. I have some mozzarella cheese, lettuce, cooking oil, and some spices here, which are salt, paprika, garlic powder, and some black pepper. And just with those ingredients, you're going to have your chicken burritos. So let's start. First, I'm going to set aside my ingredients. Now you're going to work with your chicken breasts. Place them on the chopping board. You're going to take a serrated knife to make your work easier. Just going to cut the chicken into small bits. Make sure you cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Once your chicken is cut into small bite-sized pieces, you're going to take a large dish. You're going to place your chicken in it, or you can just use a big bowl, whichever you prefer. You're going to add some cooking oil. And you're also going to add the spices. Make sure you add enough spices. You're going to take this spoon and you're just going to mix them around. The reason we put cooking oil is to just help the spices to stick onto the chicken. And now your chicken is ready to be cooked. We are going to move on to our pan, which we've just preheated for about 5 minutes to just let it get hot before we add the chicken. Our pan is finally preheated. It's hot and ready. Since the chicken already has oil, we're just going to add our chicken. You're going to cook it on low heat as you keep turning it every once in a while to make sure it cooks evenly. And the reason you cut it into small pieces is to ensure that it cooks all the way through, so you don't have to worry if it will cook or not. Now you're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes before you turn it again. As our chicken is cooking, we are going to cut up our onions just to be ready once they are fully cooked. I'm going to use red onions. Just going to slice them into semicircles. Be careful with knives to prevent harming yourself. We're also going to cut up the garlic. Once you're done cutting your onions and your garlic, you're just going to wait for the chicken to cook before we add them in. It's been about 5 minutes and our chicken is finally ready. I can smell the aroma and it's so nice. The spices are just amazing. Now we are going to add in our garlic and our onions. They're just going to stir it around to add more flavor to the chicken. And just like that, your chicken is ready to go onto our tortillas. Now that your chicken is ready, you're going to set it aside to just let it cool for a while. Now you're going to start off by grating your cheese. Mozzarella usually comes in a bowl like this. You're just going to grate it. That will be enough. I'm going to move it over to this bowl. You're going to cut up your lettuce into pieces so that you can assemble it onto the tortillas. Now that your lettuce is also ready, you're also going to put it back onto the bowl. Now the tomato. For the tomatoes, you are going to dice them into cubes. We're going to start assembling our tortillas. We're going to start by adding the chicken first. Don't add a lot, just to not overload the tortilla. We're going to add some cheese. The cheese just adds more flavor to the burritos. We're going to add some lettuce and some tomatoes. Going to fold that together, and your first tortilla is ready. You're going to repeat the same process. Our pan is here. We've already started preheating it just to get it hot and ready. You're going to add just a little bit of cooking oil, prevent the tortillas from sticking. You're going to put in your first tortilla. The second one. Doing this, you're just going to melt the cheese and to just get the tortillas crunchy. Once you see that the crust has become golden brown, that's how you know that it's ready. Now you're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe for today. Make sure to try this out and share with your family and friends. And make sure to check out my social media accounts at Tammy's Kitchen on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you guys next time right here on KBC Channel 1 for more recipes. Bye!